Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to find keyboard shortcuts in Google Sheet on computer. So how to find keyboard shortcuts in Google Sheet on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Sheets work page. Find keyboard shortcuts. Just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap the Help menu, here a scrolling menu will appear. Many menu options. Tap the Keyboard Shortcuts menu. Here it will appear like this. Here there are so many keyboard shortcuts and their functions. This feature helps users find keyboard shortcuts in Google Sheet to speed up navigation and editing. So that's it, tutorial how to find keyboard shortcuts in Google Sheet on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.